The concept of vegan living, which includes both conscious vegan living and the plant-based lifestyle, emerged from the growing awareness of environmental and health issues related to the extensive use of animal agriculture. This movement can be traced back to the mid-20th century, when concerns about deforestation, water pollution, and the depletion of natural resources began to gain prominence. In the 1970s, the environmental movement gained momentum, leading to increased awareness of the ecological impact of meat production. In 1980, the publication of Eating Animals by Peter Singer, a book that delved into the ethics of eating animals, further propelled the conversation around veganism. The late 1990s saw a significant rise in the number of vegetarian and vegan restaurants, and the 2000s brought about major changes in food labeling and certification programs, such as the vegan certification, launched by the Vegan Society in 2005. The plant-based movement has had measurable impacts on societies, economies, and industries, with a global vegan market worth nearly $9 billion in 2019, expected to double by 2025. These impacts have led to positive outcomes like reduced greenhouse gas emissions, improved water efficiency, and health benefits for individuals, while also presenting challenges such as the transition of meat industries and the necessity of research into plant-based alternatives. As of 2019, plant-based meat alternatives were already widely consumed in countries like the United States and Europe, indicating the growing acceptance of the plant-based lifestyle. Future projections suggest that by 2050, a significant portion of the global population could be practicing a vegan lifestyle, influenced by continued advancements in plant-based technology and the continuous emphasis on environmental sustainability. To optimize and advance the vegan movement, future efforts should focus on developing more sophisticated and realistic plant-based alternatives, educating the public about the benefits of a vegan diet, and advocating for policy changes that support plant-based initiatives.